Hello everyone, welcome to Curious TV and pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang GCash, cash in and cash out. So the reason why I'm doing this video kasi isa sa mga source of income ko is cash in and cash out kay GCash. But the problem is I encountered a lot of issue about cash in. Kasi ang nangyari, I'm one of the authorized GCash outlet. So, hindi ako gumagamit ng personal GCash for cash in. And I'm not against with the people using their personal GCash for cash in and cash out. Pero, I want to do this video for awareness kung paano i-check pag galing GPO yung cash in. Kasi usually ito yung nagiging problema dun sa end ng pinagsendan. Kasi ang nangyari, si customer walang GCash mismo. So, nagpapa-cash in sila sa amin and then yung sinendan na nagpapa-cash in, cash out is personal GCash lang yung ginagamit. And then hindi sila aware kung paano i-check if pumasok na talaga yung fund doon sa account nila. So, they usually check the transaction history. Yun naman talaga yung common na pag-check ng kung pumasok na talaga yung fund. So, you can check the transaction history. Pero ang problema, pag galing GPO, usually late na nag-appear yung transaction. And sometimes wala talaga. So the other option is you can check the inbox mismo sa app. So may inbox doon sa baba. So you can check under inbox if pumasok na talaga yung fund. Pero actually mas madaling i-check pag galing GPO yung cash in. Kahit hindi mo buksan yung GCash app mo mismo. Kasi makaka-receive ka ng text galing kay GCash. And then ang nakalagay doon sa text is GCash pa cash in, yung amount na sinend, and then yung balance mo after masend yung fund, and then yung reference number. So, pag galing GPO, yung i-check mo lang is yung SMS mismo na galing kay GCash. Ganun lang mag-check. So, I hope yung mga kapwa ko GPO or nagpapa-cash in, cash out, kindly share this video para magkaroon sila ng awareness kung paano i-check pag galing GPO yung cash in and cash out.